Sun Secrets: Exploring the Solar Eclipse. Did you know? Sometimes the moon moves between the sun and the Earth, creating a special event called a solar eclipse. Let's learn more about this incredible phenomenon. During a solar eclipse, the moon covers the sun, casting a shadow on the Earth. This makes it look like the sun is disappearing, leaving behind a dark circle in the sky. Solar eclipses are like amazing shows in the daytime sky. They don't happen every month, but when they do, they're worth watching. You can see the sun turn into a crescent shape as the moon moves in front of it. It's important to remember never to look directly at the sun during a solar eclipse without special glasses or filters. Looking at the sun without protection can hurt your eyes. Scientists study solar eclipses to learn more about the sun and how it affects our planet. They can also help us understand more about space and our place in the universe. So, the next time you hear about a solar eclipse happening, be sure to watch safely and enjoy the wonder of this amazing celestial event. It's like a special dance between the sun, the moon, and the Earth.